Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to sharpen an image in Picsart application using mobile device. In order to sharpen an image in Picsart, open up the Picsart application on your phone first and make sure that you're logged in. Once you do that, go to the bottom of the screen and tap the plus button. Now, from your recent or the camera library, go ahead and select a photo or an image you would like to sharpen. After opening up an image on the canvas, go to the bottom menu and tap on Tools. Now in the expanded menu, click on Adjust. Go ahead and tap on Clarity at the bottom and then slide the little white dot towards the right hand side for clarifying your image or to sharpen your image. Make sure that you don't overdo it because too much sharpening can make the image look unnatural or grainy. After making the adjustment, click on Apply at the top right corner and save your changes. You can then download the image and save it on your device or share it directly on social media. And that's it. Your image is now sharpened and ready to share our post. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more Picsart tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thanks for watching.